back to my channel. My name's Kaylaharnae. Hey, how you doing? So, as you can tell by the title, today's video is inspired by SAWEETIE. Today we're doing our makeup like SAWEETIE today. I saw this picture that she posted and it was super bronzy, glowy, just cute. So I was like, I want to do it. But yeah, and it's kind of like similar to how I would do my makeup any other day. But so this gave me an excuse to do it. You know what? I forgot to put setting spray on. Let me just do that for a second. Oh. Let me put it up because I don't know what I just did. Yeah, I don't know. There's not much else to say. I really like this look. I love these lashes. And this lip combo, like, it's a thing. I don't know. But if you want to see what I did, then keep watching. Thumbs up this video first. And subscribe and turn on the notification bell and comment and just do everything that you know you're supposed to do. But I love you and I'll see you in a second. Bye. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right into the video and get started. Again, of course, face is already prepped and everything, but I'm gonna go in with my Versace Liquid Glass Radiance Make-Skin Serum. You guys should know by now, like, this is my thing. But if you're new, I'm here to tell you it's my thing. But I'm just gonna put like a dollop like that and then put it all over. I am gonna go in with ColourPop's Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. I'm gonna focus this more so on the on the inner part of my face, my T-zone. You already know by now that today's makeup is going to be inspired by SAWEETIE. Her skin is always looking like golden and glowy and just bronzy and sun-kissed, so I got her picture here and I'm just going to, but it's pretty simple. It's really simple actually. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation, and I'm just gonna squirt this all over my face. Don't be nasty. Using this Morphe R6 brush. Already got makeup on my shirt. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just make sure everything is smooth and there's no brush streaks. For concealer, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Medium Sand. I like for that to sit a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend this out. I haven't used this concealer in a minute, but this is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Toffee. Sorry, wiping my earrings. I haven't used this concealer in so long. It feels weird because the doe foot is much smaller. Going in with this Morphe E48, I'm gonna blend this out. This is a Morphe M335. She kind of has a bright under eye, so I'm going to do a little bit more concealer. To set my face, I'm using the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. It doesn't look like she has much blush on, so I'm not going in with a cream blush. It looks like she has a lot of bronzer on, so I'm going to go in. I'm going to chisel out a little bit with the Fenty Caramel Cutie bronzer. Just a little bit. Then, of course, you guys should know by now if you watch me, but if you don't know, I'm going in with Becca's Y Panama Sun. I need to get a new one soon. And this is a Real Techniques powder brush. Then, e.l.f.'s Constantly Bronze Bronzer. Focusing that just on the cheeks. Then going in with Copper Tone by MAC. It's a blush. I know she doesn't have a lot of blush on, but I like blush. Time for the eyes. So this is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm taking the shade G Money, and I'm gonna put that all in my crease. Her eye is like really like orangey toned. This is the Morphe 15D Day Slayer palette. I'm taking in the crease and Upbeat. I'm just gonna mix these two orangey brownish shades and put that all in the crease. She doesn't have anything on the lower lid. It looks like she has on a brown eyeliner on the waterline, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take my P. Louise base in Rumor Number 3. I'm gonna cut my lid a little bit. My eyes are cut. Now I'm going in with this James Charles Morphe palette. I'm taking this shade right here. It's on the second row, first shade. It's like a light tan beige. I'm gonna put that all on the lid. Where's my eyebrow pencil? Gonna fix my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm really excited because time for lashes. Now in SAWEETIE's photo, it looks like she has on eyelash extensions. Obviously, I don't have eyelash extensions right now, so I'm going to be using my own lashes. I'm really excited because MEDUSA ALLURE sent me a pair of their lashes. I was allowed to pick out a style that I wanted to try out, which is called, one second. These are the lashes. They're in the style Historia, I think. Oh my gosh. They're in the style Historia. I got some cute eyelash curlers and some tweezers. And they have two different glues. There's a clear glue and a black glue. So I'm excited. Cute tweezers. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. And these lashes are 100% mink and the glue is latex free and vegan. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, which I think is really, really cool. Let's get started. I think I'm gonna go in with the, I don't really use black glue. Because we're trying something different today, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the black glue. Normally I use clear, but I'm switching it up. I am gonna put some mascara on. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. The packaging for the glue is cute too. It's like frosted. Ooh, I like this. So cute. Super cute. That's a lot of glue too. Oh, and you get 20% off using my code. I'll either have it on the screen or linked down in the description box, but it's Kaylah20. Get you some money off or whatever. Okay. Okay, black's a little scary to work with because I can get a little messy. Now I'm gonna put a little mascara on the lower lash line. Oh, she has highlight on her nose. So, for highlight on the nose, I'm going in with Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics. For lips, I'm gonna line my lips with Mahogany Lip Liner by NYX Cosmetics. I'm going in with Ravishing Lipstick by MAC Cosmetics. She has a nude lipstick in the center, but I'm just gonna use concealer. I don't know why I can't find my nude lipstick. And then for gloss, I'm going in with the Sweet Nectar Plumping Gloss by Pixie Beauty. It's like minty. I tried to get the lip to match as close as I could, so this is the best that we came up with. But okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I mean, I don't even know how long it is, but thank you for watching if you're still watching. And I think it came out really cute. It's super like everyday glam, just pretty, like love that. I hope you guys like it too. Let me know what you think. Leave a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below and share with your family and friends because we're growing, honey. We are growing. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I appreciate you.